How to connect two Expedia accounts. Expedia is an online travel agency that provides services to help people plan and book travel-related activities. Expedia has a policy that does not permit the merging of accounts, even if they are under different email addresses. This means that itineraries, rewards points, and account details cannot be combined into a single account. If you have two accounts and wish to consolidate them, you can delete one account as long as it does not have any upcoming trips associated with it. If you encounter issues such as forgotten passwords or email access problems, contacting Expedia customer service is recommended. That's it. Thanks for watching.